Monopoly App Banking, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object is to be the richest player once all the properties are owned. Money is digital, and you utilize the game's app to play. Follow the instructions on the app during play. Set out the reference cards and place the action cards on their spots on the board. Unfold the device stand. Smaller devices go onto the seat, while larger ones go in front. Each player takes a token and matching bank card. Start a new game in the app and add players in turn order, starting with the youngest player and then proceeding clockwise. On your turn, tap Start. Then scan the space you land on and follow the instructions in the app. If you roll doubles, move to any space. Do not roll again unless the space tells you to. If you land on just visiting, roll again. When you land on the upgrade space, scan it. Then select any single property on the board and give it an upgrade crown. Properties with crowns have double the rent. If there are no available crowns, then steal one from another property. Each property may only have one upgrade crown at a time. If a property with a crown is sold to the bank, leave the crown there. Properties sell to the bank for their price listed on the board. When you trade with others, use the app. When you land on or pass go, you must scan the app before doing anything else. Free parking is a minigame. When you are in jail, the app will initiate a jailbreak minigame. This is the only way to be released. Once released, continue your turn as normal. Railroads are minigames that will send you off to another property. Auctions are handled by the app and increase in set amounts. When the last property is purchased, everyone gets one final turn, then the game ends. The app will give you money for all your properties and then give out end game bonuses. Then, the player with the most money is the winner. You can also end a game early by tapping on the option in the top left.